Wanting to have a clean house and battling low energy can be a real issue for many people. In fact, it is one of the number one complaints people have regarding keeping the house clean. Today, let's look at some reasons for low energy and some solutions that will help you overcome this obstacle. Let me know if you've tried any of these and tell us what works for you in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Low energy can stem from various physical, mental, and lifestyle factors. Here are some common reasons for low energy. Number 1, poor diet. Nutritional deficiencies. Lack of essential nutrients like iron, vitamin B12, magnesium, or vitamin D can cause fatigue. Overeating or undereating. Consuming too many or too few calories can disrupt energy levels. High sugar intake. Sugar spikes and crashes can lead to energy dips. Another common culprit for lack of energy is lack of sleep. Insufficient sleep, poor sleep quality, or sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea can leave you feeling drained. Then there's dehydration. Even mild dehydration can negatively affect energy levels and brain function. How about stress? Chronic stress drains mental and physical energy, leading to burnout or fatigue over time. Mental health issues. Conditions like depression or anxiety can cause persistent low energy and fatigue, even with adequate rest. Physical health conditions. Thyroid issues. Hypothyroidism causes slow metabolism and reduces energy. Chronic illness. Conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or chronic fatigue syndrome can impact energy levels. Infections. Viral or bacterial infections can cause temporary fatigue as your body fights them off. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity can reduce overall stamina and make you feel lethargic. Medications. Some medications, including antidepressants, antihistamines, and blood pressure drugs, can cause drowsiness or fatigue. Caffeine overuse. Excessive caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to lower energy levels through the day. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations such as menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause can lead to tiredness. Anemia. A lack of red blood cells reduces oxygen transport in the body, causing fatigue. And then there's chronic pain. Pain from conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia can interfere with sleep and drain energy. Allergies or food intolerances. Allergies or sensitivities to foods can lead to energy slumps after eating. Alcohol or substance abuse. Excessive alcohol or drug use can disrupt your body's natural rhythms and sap your energy. And then there are environmental factors. Seasonal changes. Lack of sunlight during winter or exposure to pollutants can also affect your energy levels. Here are some tips to boost energy. If low energy is a persistent issue, consulting a healthcare professional to identify the underlying cause is crucial. Meanwhile, simple steps like improving sleep hygiene, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular exercise can help. Cleaning can feel overwhelming when your energy is low, but with a few strategies, we can help you power through and even make it enjoyable. Here are some tips to boost your energy and stay motivated for house cleaning. Number 1, prep your mindset. Set small, achievable goals. Break cleaning tasks into smaller chunks, such as clean one room or just the countertops, to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use a timer. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and clean as much as you can. Short bursts of activity feel way more manageable and can build momentum. Visualize the end result. Think about how great it'll feel to relax in a clean and organized space. This can provide a motivational boost. Number 2, boost your physical activity. Have a healthy snack. Eat something energizing like a banana, nuts, or a small smoothie to fuel your cleaning session. Drink water. Staying hydrated keeps your body and brain functioning optimally. Take a quick walk. A brisk 5 to 10 minute walk can wake you up and get your blood pumping before starting. Play energizing music. Put on upbeat music, a podcast, or an audiobook to make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a fun activity. Number 4, start with quick wins. Tidy, high-impact areas first. Focus on spaces that make a noticeable difference, like the living room or the kitchen counters. Seeing immediate results can energize you to keep you going. Declutter before cleaning. Clearing away clutter makes the actual cleaning feel less dreadful. Work in intervals. Use the 20-10 rule. Work for 20 minutes, then rest for 10. Repeat as needed. This prevents burnout. Focus on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking that can feel overwhelming and slow you down. Get comfortable. Wear comfortable clothes and supportive shoes that keep you moving easily. Adjust the temperature in your home to a comfortable level so you don't overheat or feel too cold while cleaning. Leverage cleaning hacks. Use shortcuts like multipurpose cleaners or cleaning tools that save you time and effort, such as robotic vacuums or Swiffers. I have lots of suggestions here on my channel. Try speed cleaning techniques. Focus on the most visible or frequently used surfaces first. You can check out my video on speed cleaning. Number 8, enlist help. Involve family or roommates to divide up the work. Cleaning as a group can be more fun and less exhausting. Number 9, reward yourself. Plan a small reward for when you finish, such as a hot bath, a favorite snack, or relaxing with a good book. Knowing there's a treat at the end can keep you motivated. And number 10, listen to your body. If you're truly too tired, don't push yourself too hard. Focus on just 1 or 2 high priority areas and save the rest for another day. Here's some quick energy boosters for cleaning. Open the windows and let fresh air in. It can both refresh you and your space. Sip on green tea or a small coffee if caffeine gives you a productive boost. Stretch or do a couple of jumping jacks to wake yourself up before you start. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Even small steps can make a big difference in how your home looks and feels. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there's likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these reasons sound familiar to you, I'll give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We're going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series over on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete the series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.